How to change an employee's address in Ceridian. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. First things first, log into your Ceridian account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be ready to make necessary changes. Navigate to the section where you can manage employee information. This might be labeled as employee management or something similar. Now, locate the employee for whom you want to update the address. Once you have found them, it's time to make the necessary adjustments. Within the employee's profile, look for the section where you can edit their personal details. You should find an option to change their address. Here you will be prompted to enter the new address details. Make sure to input all relevant information accurately. After entering the new address, don't forget to save the changes you have made to employee's profile. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the changes you have made to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully updated an employee's address in Ceridian. Remember to communicate this change with relevant departments such as HR and payroll. Well, this way you can easily change the employee address in Ceridian. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.